Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change a guideline color in Excel. So guys, it's very easy to change this color. So firstly you need to first select the all by clicking here. You see here this left side corner, just click on it to select this all. Now in home tab you see here this option all borders, so just click on here the small drop down you see here, just click on it. Now here click on all borders and again click on here and scroll down, and here you see this line color, just select your line color. You need to select which one you like blue, just select it. Again click on here all border. You see here this line color will be changed. First select it and line color, and now select this purple. Again click on here this small drop down and click on here all borders. Now this line will be in purple color. So this way you can very easily change guideline color in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.